An amazing new technique called optogenetics that was developed at Stanford University in Palo Alto in California. Implant a virus into a particular area of the brain.
Implant a virus into a particular area of the brain.
So what will happen is you get it injected into you, and then it assembles, it self-assembles, and then it swarms through your body, and it crosses your blood-brain barrier, and it takes over your brain.
Then, if you direct blue light, they will activate.
They will activate.